जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th चैप्टर ज्ञानयोगम 1st श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, this karma yogam which I am teaching you now is an eternal science. This is not something that I am teaching you new. I already taught this karma yogam to Surya Bhagavan. Then Surya taught the same karma yogam to Manuvu. And Manuvu taught the same karma yogam to Ikshvaku. This is how this eternal science karma yogam has been passed down to the generations. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma establishing the importance, the eternality, the credibility of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and Sri Krishna Paramatma disclosing that this Bhagavad Gita will be useful to each and every one of us, irrespective of any yuga and irrespective of how much our technology advances. Having Krishna Paramatma's words running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavan Aham Avyayam Vivasvan Manave Praha Manuhu Ikshvakave Abravit. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always meditate upon me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimadbhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimadbhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्री सुकमहर्षि यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham Sri Sukha Yogindra doing Namaskaram to Srimannarayana. Before he begins his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, Sri Sukha Yogindra disclosing his oblations to Srimannarayana, saying that, Ho Raja, Purna Purushottama, Sri Krishna Paramatma, Srimannarayana is only the one who can bestow us moksham. Edangri abhidhyana samadhidhautaya dhiya anupasyanti. Just by remembering the divine lotus feet of Srimannarayana, our buddhi will be purified. Then we will be able to get Atma Darshanam. Those who are getting Atma Darshanam like that, first they do service to, they do Aradhana to Srimannarayana. Only with the service of Srimannarayana, people are getting Atma Darshanam. O Maharaja, such Srimannarayana, Mukunda, Same Mukundo, Bhagavan Prasidata me, that Mukunda, Srimannarayana bless me, shower his anugraham on me. O Maharaja, Prachodita Yena Pura Saraswati. In the very beginning of this era, in the very beginning of every era, he is the one, Paramatma is the one who gives memory power to Chaturmukha Brahma and helps Brahma to do this entire Srishti Karyam. Not only that, as a Veda Swarupam, Paramatma is the one who discloses Saraswati Devi through Chaturmukha Brahma in the form of the Veda mantras. Such Srimannarayana, such the one who gives us the Jnanam, Jnana Pradata, Srimannarayana, to him I am doing Namaskaram, and may that Jnana Pradata Srimannarayana shower his anugraham on me. O Maharaja, Anuvo Kaka Kadun Maha Vibhavudo Achinnudo Chinnudo Guniyo Nirgunudo Atanchu Vibudhul. O Maharaja, even great scholars also unable to perceive the glory, the power, the supremacy of Paramatma. Such Paramatma brings out this entire creation. Such Paramatma discloses all these entities, and he is the one who makes his presence in each and every entity. And he is the one who makes his presence in the souls. He is the one who is all pervasive. O Maharaja, and he is the one who is helping every soul through their body perform their duties. Such Paramatma, such Antaryami, Sarvantaryami, Saha Alankrushishta Bhagavan Vachamsi me. May Srimannarayana accept my talk which I am going to be giving you. May such Srimannarayana be disclosed through my words very well to you. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra did Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, and now he is doing namaskaram to his father Vyasa Maharshi, who is the one Acharya, Guru also to him. Namastasmai Bhagavate Vasudevaya Vedhase. Now Sri Sukha Yogendra, bowing his head to his father Vyasa Maharshi before he begins his teachings to Parikshit Narendra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Jikhve Kirtaya Kesavam Muraripum Cheto Bhajasridharam Panidvandvasamarchaya Achyuta Kathaha Srotradvayatvam Srunu Krishnam Lokaya Lochanadvaya Harehe Gacchanghriyugmalayam Jighragrana Mukundapadathulasim Murdhannamadhokshajam Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 1st sloka. Imam vivasvate yogam proktavan ahamavyayam. Vivasvan manave praha manuhu ikshvakave అబ్రవీత్. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.